Imagine making money while you're sleeping, sitting at your job, or spending time with your family. I'm not talking about risky trading, get-rich-quick scams, or magical apps. These are 5 real passive income ideas that actually work, even when you're not working. And the best part? You don't need thousands of dollars or special skills to start. Let's get straight into idea number 1, because this one literally changed my entire financial life. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm the Money Mentor, and I help you build practical money habits that actually make life easier. If you're ready to grow smarter, not harder, hit that like button and subscribe. I drop new personal finance videos every week. Passive income idea number 1, high-yield savings accounts hisses. Let's start simple, but powerful. High-yield savings accounts pay for percent to 5% interest right now. That means your money is literally making money for you. No effort, no risk, just pure passive income. Why this works beats traditional banks paying 0.01%. Safe, FDIC insured. Money grows automatically every month. Real example. If you keep $1,000 saved, you could earn $40, $50 a year, doing nothing. Not life-changing alone, but it's the foundation of passive income. Which bank do you use right now? Comment below. I'm curious how low the interest is. Passive income idea number 2, dividend index funds. This one is my personal favorite because it's truly passive. Dividend index funds pay you money just for owning them. Why I love this? You don't manage anything. You don't choose stocks. You get paid automatically every quarter. Simple explanation. Companies make profits gives you get a small share of those profits gives that's your passive income. How to start? Use apps like Fidelity, Vanguard, Schwab. Search dividend index fund. Start with as little as $10. This is long-term wealth, the type that grows while you sleep. If you want me to make a full tutorial on how to start investing in index funds, comment index fund guide. Passive income idea number 3, rent out your stuff. This one is shockingly underrated. You can rent out your camera, your tools, your unused electronics, even your extra room or parking space. Apps like Fat Llama, Facebook Marketplace, Airbnb, Neighbor. Example, you rent a camera for $20 a day gives 10 days a month, equals to $100. You don't work. Your stuff works. What's one thing in your house you never use? Drop it in the comments. That could be your first passive income stream.
Passive income idea number 4, digital products. This one changed everything for me. Digital products are things you create once and sell forever. Ebooks, template-tested planners, fitness plans, Canva template-test, social media presets, platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, Shopify. Why this is powerful? No shipping, no inventory, 90% profit margin, fully passive. After setup you wake up, gives you made a sale, gives you did nothing. Example, a simple $5 budget planner gives 50 sales a month equals $250 passive income. Should I make a step-by-step video on how to create your first digital product? Let me know. Passive income idea number 5, YouTube automation. This is the future of passive income. You don't even have to show your face. You create videos using stock footage, voiceover, simple editing guide tools, then your video earns money from ad revenue, affiliate marketing, sponsor. Why it works? You upload once, gives it earns forever. Some channels make $3,000 to $10,000 a month passively. Types of channels: motivation, fin and tax explainers, history, shorts. Even small channels can make steady income. If you want me to make a full guide on YouTube automation, comment below. This is one of my most requested videos. These 5 passive income ideas actually work, even when you're not working. High-yield savings accounts, dividend index funds, rent out your stuff, digital products, YouTube automation. You don't need to be rich. You don't need special skills. You just need to start one of these today. If you enjoyed this and want more ways to grow your money, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment telling me which passive income idea you want to start. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.